Bitcoin fake breakout. Be careful with this breakout here. I put this picture on my Twitter account about this possible Elliott impulse wave. And today you have a Bitcoin at right now $72,000. But I'm not excited with Bitcoin at 72 because at the same time I see on RSI divergence. So don't worry about it. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos because we track them 24/7. Okay, I'm more excited with this coin right here, Bacon DAO, providing me $20,000 return. The price right now is 0.001. Okay, that's the kind of coin I'm looking for. Pay attention to the 7-day charts. Price go flat out of the blue, the price spike up. How I find this pump? By calculated volume spike plus buyer power. Pay attention here, Bacon DAO. The volume spike right here on March 27. The volume of this coin was $20,000 and volume pump to $50,000. That's the catalyst I'm looking for. So I shared this trade at the private list on right here on April 5th. Before the pump, you bought this coin for 0.0008 and you put a sell order up here 0.0025. 210%. I made $20,000. Overall, on the last 5 days, I made $97,000 trade altcoin pumps. This is the coins I share in the private list: Bacon DAO, The Food, Blockchain Curious, Universe Governance. Look how ridiculous this name. Like I mentioned before, we don't care for the name, we don't care for the price. All we care is the volume. The coin has volume. Okay, I have an interest. Unilawyer. There's another coin I made $16,000 trade this coin right here. The price right now is 14 cents. Medieval Empires, Ambire Wallet, Metaflex, Harvest Finance. Let me give another example how I find this coin. Unilawyer. If you go right here on the charts, Unilawyer, position the rank 2015, 2000, right here. Pay attention, on April 1st, the volume of this coin was $97,000. The volume pumped to $233,000. Exactly the same strategy. The volume spiked 7 days before the pump. The volume at the pump was 4.2 million. So this coin provided me $16,000. It's all about the track, the volume on the right time. So on the April 4, we bought this coin before the pump for 7 cents and a half, and you put a sell order at 20 cents. We made over 160%. I made $16,000. Guys, I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 20% per week. My software is tracking 2,000 coins with more volume, guys. Feel free to reach me out, TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Give me a like this video and share, and let's trade together because together we are strong.